Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Varshini L, a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing BE in Computer Science and Engineering. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering under the topic Solid Waste Management and Categories of Waste and Sources of Solid Waste. And the contents are Introduction to Solid Waste Management, Categories of Solid Waste, Sources of Solid Waste, Challenges in Solid Waste Management, Importance of Proper Waste Segregation, Impact of Improper Solid Waste Management, Solid Waste Management Strategies, Importance of Recycling and Waste Reduction, Landfill Management, and finally the conclusion. Introduction to Solid Waste Management. Solid waste refers to any unwanted materials that are discarded and need to be properly managed. Effective solid waste management is crucial for protecting public health and environment. Proper waste management is crucial to prevent pollution, protect public health, and conserve natural resources. Due to rapid increase in the production and hence in consumption process, human society generates and rejects solid materials regularly from various sectors. The urban solid waste generates from domestic and commercial activities are called municipal solid waste. It is estimated that a person in India produces 42 millions of tons of municipal solid waste annually. Categories of solid waste. Solid waste is broadly categorized into organic waste, inorganic waste, recyclable waste, and hazardous waste. Organic waste includes biodegradable materials such as food scraps, yard waste, and paper products. Inorganic waste consist of non-biodegradable materials like plastic, glass, metal, and ceramics. Municipal solid waste includes everyday items like food waste, paper, plastics, and yard debris. Industrial wastes consist of waste generated from the manufacturing process, construction, and demolition activities. Hazardous waste poses significant risks to human health and the environment, requires special handling and disposal methods. Sources of solid waste. Residential sources of waste include households, apartments, and other residential buildings. Commercial sources of waste includes business, restaurants, shopping centers, and office buildings. Industrial sources of waste includes factories, manufacturing facilities, and construction sites. Agriculture sources of waste include crop residues, animal manure, and agriculture chemicals. Construction and demolition activities generate significant amount of waste materials like concrete, wood, and metal. Healthcare facilities produce medical waste that requires special handling to prevent the spread of infections. Institutional sources of solid waste includes school, hospital, government offices, and religious institution. Municipal solid waste comprise waste generated by the municipalities or local government, including residential, commercial, and institutional waste. Electronic waste is a growing source of solid waste consisting of discarded electronic devices like computer, smartphones, and televisions. Healthcare facilities produce medical waste such as contaminated sharps, infectious materials, and expired pharmaceuticals and requiring specialized handling and disposal. Challenges in solid waste management. Inadequate waste collection and disposal infrastructure lead to littering, illegal dumping, and environmental pollution. Lack of public awareness and participation hinders recycling and waste reduction efforts. Improper disposal of hazardous waste can contaminate soil, water bodies, and air, posing risk to human health and ecosystem. Impact of improper solid waste management. Improper waste disposal can lead to pollution of air, water and soil. Inadequate waste management can result in health hazards, disease outbreaks, and environmental degradation. Littering and illegal dumping contribute to unsightly communities and harm wildlife. Solid waste management strategies. Source reduction involves minimizing waste generation at the source by using less packaging and opting for reusable products. Waste diversion strategies like recycling, composting, and waste to energy technologies help divert waste from landfills. Proper waste collection, transportation, and disposal are essential components of an effective waste management system. Importance of recycling and waste reduction. Recycling helps conserve natural resources and reduce energy consumption and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Waste reduction strategies like composting, reusing items and buying products with minimal packaging help minimize waste reduction or waste generation. Public education and awareness play a major role in promoting recycling and waste reduction practices. Landfill management. Landfills are engineered disposal sites for solid waste that cannot be recycled, composted, or converted into energy. Proper landfill management practices include waste compaction, leachate collection, gas extraction, and landfill cover to minimize environmental impacts. Landfill closure and post-closure care involve capping, monitoring and maintenance activities to prevent contamination and ensure long-term environmental protection. Finally, the conclusion is proper solid waste management is essential for protecting public health, preserving the environment, and conserving natural resources. Collaboration between government agencies, industries, communities, and individuals is crucial for achieving sustainable waste management practices. By adopting waste reduction, recycling, and proper disposal measures, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you.